Hi, George here. I just wanted to keep everybody in the loop on what I'm doing with my channels. Right now we're looking at my main channel, HTG George. I've been running this channel for about 16 years now, with the first 13 of those being just photo-related content, Photoshop elements, and Photoshop primarily. About 3 to 4 years ago, I added in some Minecraft stuff because the channel was beginning to die at that point, so I needed something else to get it going again, and Minecraft has done that. And then my Minecraft videos account for about 90% of my views. In other words, for every one view I get on my Elements videos or photo videos, I'm getting 10 views on the Minecraft videos. So I'm beginning to do a little bit of separation here to kind of help that out so that people can watch the videos that they want to see. And the first part of that is to start up 2 new channels. My first one over here is HTG Photo. Has my old banner on top, as you can see there. And this channel just contains photo-related topics. Photoshop Elements, Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Photo, things like that. I've already moved all of my new Affinity Photo videos over here, so they're only showing up here now. Next week, I'll begin moving over all of my new Photoshop videos. Those will only be appearing here. For the time being, I'll be keeping the Photoshop Elements on my main channel. But if you want to see all of the photo videos, they need to also be subscribed over here at HTG Photo. I also have another channel over here for my Minecraft audience. That's my HTG George Plays channel. And this is where I'm posting shorts, just Minecraft shorts. And they're all pretty short. I tend to be doing 30-second videos on these. So if you like Minecraft shorts, this is where to come to. I'm no longer doing these on the main channel. They're now just over here on the HTG George Plays channel. Sometimes I'll put longer videos over here, but this is mostly for the Minecraft shorts. So if you want to stay totally up on everything that's happening, then if you're into Minecraft, you want to be on this channel and also over here on HTG George Plays. If you're into the photo content, then you want to be on this main channel and also over here on HTG Photo. Now, at some point in the future, I don't have any specific date set in mind on that. I might split the main channel up completely into just separate channels. For now, I'm not doing that. Now, because Minecraft is my biggest audience at this point by about 10 times, I'll be putting up more content for Minecraft. Basically, I'm going to be doing my usual stuff, which is the customization stuff and play stuff like the cherry blossom guide over here. But I'm also now adding in some news-related items like this update, stuff like that, just kind of interesting news. These are really short-term topics. They'll go away within a week, and then my other content will be going for a long time. Of course, these are more the evergreen style videos. So I'm still going back and forth in here, doing a Minecraft video, an Elements video, Minecraft Elements, like that. But the Photoshop videos and the Affinity Photo videos and other stuff, some of my video editing videos, all that stuff is going over to this new channel here, HTG Photo, and all of my Minecraft shorts are now over here on HTG George Plays. And I hope this separation can help you find the videos that you're looking for without looking at a lot of other stuff that you really don't care about. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time.